What's up, real estate partners? Happy Wednesday. Just want to send you a quick update for today. So I'm talking to a lot of buyers, and our realtor partners are talking with a lot of buyers as well. And we're just really hearing that people are renting right now and they just want to wait to buy a home. They're just worried about the market. They're worried about prices and they think prices are going to come down and they want to wait for interest rates to move lower. And I would just tell you that I just disagree with so many of these comments that people make. And I just truly believe that buying a house right now, that there's a substantial value in it. So I wanted to show you a rent versus own analysis that we can put together for your buyers. So if you have any buyers that are thinking about purchasing or they're just on the fence and they're really happy renting right now and they think their mortgage payment is going to cost them more than they're paying in rent and need some help giving them data points, let me know. I can put this together for you. So this is a rent versus own analysis. I just put this together. And this can work off any purchase price or any amount that we need to put in for rent. But I did someone that's renting and they're paying $2,750 a month. First-time home buyer, FHA, 3.5% down, $550 purchase price. First-time home buyer, conventional, 3% down. So I did a comparison here. So if they were paying $2,750 a month in rent, their total payment, including any rental insurance, or rents going up on an annual basis. Total rental payment was $2,880 per month. And then I put in here a tax benefit. So I assume that it was a married couple filing jointly, so they get a standard deduction. So I look at the tax benefit here that they're going to get regardless, even if they're renting, and then the total rent that they're going to pay per month after their tax benefit. And then I did the same thing for an FHA purchase, 3.5% down, total payment, including taxes and insurance. Tax benefit that they're going to get because now they're paying interest associated with the loan. So what their net payment is there. Conventional mortgage, same thing. So if you look here, based on their net payments after the tax deductions, yes, rent here is $2,372 per month, FHA $2,552 per month, conventional $2,555 per month. So absolutely, if you look at this, they're definitely going to pay slightly less per month in rent than they are in homeownership. But if you do a 5-year comparison, and you look at how much they're going to pay in rent over 5 years, they're going to pay $186,000 in rent over 5 years, where if they have a mortgage on the FHA, they're going to pay $39,000 in principal. So they're reducing their loan balance every single month over 5 years. And on the conventional loan, they're paying $35,500 in principal. So they're reducing their loan balance there. So, as we all know, the value here in owning versus renting on this part is really just in the principal reduction, but they're also going to get home appreciation. I did home appreciation at 4%. Of course, anyone that owned a home for the last 10 years, as we know, we had 121 months of straight appreciation in the marketplace. But let's just use 4% to be conservative. So for 8 years of paying rent, they get nothing back. But in 8 years of owning a home, between principal reduction going down and the home value going up at 4%, on a conventional loan, their net worth is now just above $281,000. On a conventional loan, it's just above $282,000. I truly think that the numbers really speak for themselves. And I think that a lot of people are renting right now and they're just slightly nervous. And I definitely think this is a helpful analysis to put together to really give people feedback on the benefits of owning versus renting. As you can tell, I'm super passionate about this. I think it's really great to educate first-time home buyers. If you want me to put this together for any of your buyers, just reach out to me. We do these all day long. I would love to help you, and I'd love to help your buyers. Happy Wednesday. Hope you have a great day.